Barbershops all over California are worried now that they might be going out of business, and barbers are worried that they may be out of a job.
Eyewitness News reporter Jeff Platt explains how the California Supreme Court is pushing barbers out of the barbershop. Jeff?
Well, Dave Rochelle, this court decision changes the rules for who in California can work as an independent contractor, directly threatening the future of barbers and barbershops. At Premier Barber Parlor, things are abuzz. Not just with the sounds of trimmers and hair dryers, but also with chatter.
1099 independent contractor thing, so you can't work.
Chatter about a California Supreme Court sweeping decision that may put everyone here out of a job. Most barbershops only have one door to come inside, but every barber, every chair, it's its own business. But the Supreme Court says now they need to become employees. At Premier, just like most barbershops, the barbers, like Paul Castro, don't work for the shop. They just rent the chair and split the bills.
We take down costs together as a whole, and people forget that. We work together as a whole to take it down so we could singly, work in our stations comfortably.
Under the new rule, this business model isn't allowed. All the barbers have two options. The first is to become hourly employees, but Castro says that won't work.
We wouldn't be able to stay afloat if we had to charge what we really had to charge hourly, or what we would have to get paid hourly.
The other option is to become their own businesses in their own buildings, but Castro says that won't work for customers.
I mean, double, triple. Yeah, it wouldn't work out. The haircut would be a lot more.
But more than anything, Castro says this rule will destroy the barbershop atmosphere and experience, and without those, he isn't sure he even wants to be a barber.
It won't be the same, ever again. If it's just gonna be just me cutting hair, I'm sure the customer won't mind as long as they get what they want, but it's gonna kill the whole point of working in a barbershop. It's just a barber studio or a haircutting studio.
Yeah, that's the guy. Now, this doesn't only affect barbers. It impacts every contract worker like personal trainers, tattoo artists, and a lot of other people working here in California. Live in studio tonight, Jeff Platt, Eyewitness News.